experiment called conductions of different materials. First, we put the wooden spoon in the hot water. Then the steel spoon in the hot water again. The other tumbler of hot water. After a minute, you can see which one is melting. You can see which one is melting. You see, the steel spoon is hot because the steel spoon is a conductor. There are the steel molecules and the free electrons are there on the steel spoon. If the hot water molecules start to vibrate and make the steel spoon heat, the heat transfers to the butter and the butter will melt. And that's how the butter is melting. And the other one you can see, and the wooden spoon is an insulator because the wooden spoon has no free electrons and there is no heat transferring to it. So that's why the butter is not melting. Thank you.